So I ordered my seed potatoes from Amazon, Johnson and Brothers or whatever they were called, I can't be sure. Last year they were great. This year they're that size. Sorry. This year they're that size. And you can tell by my hand how big they are. And they're actually looking a bit Busford Way, very, they're getting soft. So I'm thinking the only thing I can try and do is start them off in pots. Last year I seen some YouTube videos of people starting their potatoes off in pots. So that's the only thing I can think of. These are main crop potatoes. These are Maris Pipers. And I don't know what else to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in pots, start them off to see if they're viable. And then I'm going to maybe order some more. Or go to a garden centre and buy some. I don't know. So these are going to live in my grow room until they start sprouting, I suppose. And if they sprout, they're then going to go into their buckets. And then I'll maybe keep them in the garage, covered up, just to keep them from getting frost. I mean, look at this one here. I mean, look at the size of that. It's about just over an inch. So what the plan is anyway is, let me get this one out of the road. I've got 10 of these. Last year I put 4 in a bucket, and the result was not very good, I may add. So this year I'm going to put 2 in a bucket, a 30-litre bucket, to see if it helps anymore than it did. So what do you think? Am I doing the right thing? Can I start these main crop this early? Will they be okay? Will they grow? I don't know. I really don't know. So I have ordered more buckets, and I'll add that to this video when they come, and I'll show you them. It's a new type from Oak Gardens. There's a nice video by Simplified Gardening. He's got a wee deal with them. If you order 10, you get money off and free delivery and stuff. But I'll add that to this video when that happens. I'm kind of hoping they come today, but we'll see. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to poke a hole in the compost. Sorry, I'm trying to do this while filming. Like so. And I'm going to put the seed potato in and cover it up. Now I haven't put any fertiliser or feed or in these pots because I don't know if it's going to work to start with, but when I transfer them to their buckets, I will then add the feed and the fertiliser, and we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's all it is for this part of the video, and I'll see you soon. So, here we go. That's them all in. 10 small pots with a potato in each. I'll keep you updated on how this is going on and if it works and what's happening, and I hope it works. But I'm going to buy more potatoes anyway. And here is if you watched my last video, you'd learnt that my seeds had sprouted, and well, this is them all in their individual cups. In pots and under the lights, and they all look I think I only lost one, which was this one here. And it was a cauliflower broccoli. Sorry, it was a broccoli. So what I've done is pulled it out, stuck a new seed in there to replace it, and we'll see what happens. Everything else looks as if it's pretty healthy and it's growing well, and they're now getting the true leaves on them. So hopefully all this is going to work out. But I'll keep you updated, and I'll let you know when my new pots come. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, how we doing? Just a wee quick extra bit. I'm planning on cutting my grass this week. It's had like a week of drying in the ground. It does feel dry, so planning cutting it. But if you look, there's bare patches. I mean, I only showed this last year, so what the plan is, Alfie. What the plan is, I was going to re-sow it on the bare bits and let it grow, but I thought to myself, well, what if Alfie will leave it alone, or so. You know what I'm like for experiments, so I'm going to try another experiment. What I'm going to do is, I've got one of these things that is used to transport leeks, I think. Yeah, leeks. I'm going to fill that with compost. I'm going to throw the grass seed into that. Get it good water, put it somewhere nice and I can keep it warm. Maybe wrap it on bubble wrap and let the grass grow in that. And then cut the bits out of that I need to fill the gaps in my grass. That's the thought behind it anyway. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm just going to try and see. So that's the plan. Now I could show you me filling this with compost and then putting the grass seed down, but I think you've all seen that before. But you never know. I don't know. I'm going to fill it with compost, pat it down, and then I might get back to you. Okay. Back in a minute. So, as you can see, I've put roughly about 2 inches of compost in here, and I've kind of patted it down a wee bit. I'm now thinking maybe I should have sieved it, but too late. So, grass seed. Just grab it with a handful, I think. And then just put plenty in, because I want it to be quite strong and, you know, plenty of it. I'm probably putting too much on here, but I'm not caring. Oh, sorry. I wasn't sure if you've seen that or no. Make sure I get stuff along the sides. Right, and then I'll just get a wee mix and then I'll cover it in compost. Leave it there. Okay, I think that should be enough. Right, now I'll cover it in compost. And then I'll do that and I'll give it a good water. Probably cover it in bubble wrap to try and keep the heat in. And hopefully it grows. Again, I'll keep you updated on how things happen. And we'll see if it works or not. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye now. Okay, right, I'm back. Right, while I was doing that thing with my grass seed, which is now in my wee greenhouse, sitting above my tatties. I'm out of breath, sorry. Chap came to the door, and the buckets that I was telling you about have arrived. These are supposed to be better than the last ones, because these ones are supposed to have, yep, if you look at the bottom, I don't know if you can see that, I'll bring these inside. If you look at the bottom, they're different because of these ridges. The last buckets that I bought didn't have these, and these slots here are slightly bigger, and there's more drainage holes. Basically there's that difference, and the handles are doubled, so you've got double strength there. 30 litre buckets, and the good thing about it is you get 10 of them for £33 delivered, so that's £3.30 each. I mean, last year I got 5 for, I think it was £27 from Amazon. I mean, I just buy everything for Amazon. So anyway, is it Tony Smith from Simplify? Is it Smith? No. It's the guy that has the Simplify gardening channel. I can't remember his name. If you go to his channel and look at the turbocharged potato videos, you'll see him talking about these, and he'll give you the code. In fact, I'll link it in the description below. I mean, 10 for £3.30 each. I mean, you can't complain. 30 litre buckets. Anyway, that's enough for today's video. If you want, I'll give you a wee look in here. In fact, I showed you that last time. Things are growing, things are happening. Starting to enjoy myself again. Okay, that's it. I hope everybody stays safe and keeps going. I'll catch you on the next one. See you later. Bye bye.